Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add text and images to your Google site. So we're starting on one of our pages within our Google site that we want to add text and images to. And so first we'll start by adding text. So over on the right hand side, under our Insert tab, we have Text Box. So when we click on that, it will automatically add a text box to the next section of our page. And there you can type in your important content. And you'll notice that we have similar features as we would see in Word or a Google Doc, where you can make the text bold, italic, you can change the alignment, add bullet points, you can even add links as well. You can also change the style of the text. So if you want it to be more of a title font or heading or subheading, your theme already has those fonts already preloaded. So it's just a matter of deciding what you want your what purpose you want your text box to have. You can also adjust the size of your text box. When we grab the handles to the text box, you'll notice these little alignment bars pop up, and so that will help you with the alignment of your text box and getting it centered or aligning it with other content on your page. You also have the option of changing the section style. So if you want it to just be regular, that's fine. Or if you want a little bit more emphasis, which gives just a light change of color. Or if you want it to have more of an impact, or you can even include a background image like we see in our headers. So you have that option too, and it's just a matter of what purpose you want your text box to have on your page. And so we can also add images to our Google site. If we go to the same section where we pulled in our text box, we can click on Images. And we have a few different options with how we can select our images. If you have an image URL, you can paste it there and that will put the image into your Google site. You can do a search for images. You can pull from your albums or your Google Drive itself. And then it even goes so far as to give you the option of pulling from your Drive, your Shared With Me folder, or recent content. And so if we just scroll down and find an image, we'll use our library logo, and it's been added to our site. And so from this option, we can crop the image if we want, we can add a hyperlink to it, or if it's not the image that you want, you can obviously delete it by clicking on the trash can. You also have the option of uploading images from a hard drive or from your computer desktop. So if you don't have your images already saved in Google Drive, or if you have them saved somewhere else, like on an external or flash drive, you can click the upload button, and then it will bring up your hard drive and you can select an image that way, and it will upload the image to your Google site. And so just like adding an image from your Google Drive, you have the options to crop an image. You also have the option to insert a link into your image, or you could of course delete it as well. And so now that we have the content in place, you might want to reorder it or move it around on your page, on your Google site. And that's a possibility. All you have to do is simply click and drag your content around to move it where you want it to be. And it's just a matter of using those guidelines that exist on your Google site. And so you can play around with that until your Google site is how you want it to appear and you have your content already added into place.